So if you come to YouTube now, the first thing you want to see is notice videos that are posted on YouTube. But on this video, if I scroll down now, for example, this one, there's a picture on it. If I scroll there again, you see this one also has a picture image on it. If I go here, you see an image with a text on it. You can see all of these videos have images, have text on them. Okay, so if I go to my channel now, you see every of my videos here has an image or text on that particular image. So what this image are called? They are called YouTube video thumbnail. Okay, YouTube video thumbnail. They are the first image that you see about a video before you begin to play that video. So once you go to youtube.com, the first thing you see is the YouTube video thumbnail. Okay, so how do you create thumbnail like this? How do you create things like this? Is what I want to show you in this video. How I got to create thumbnails for my YouTube videos, okay? Step by step. So let's say you want to create. I just uploaded this video about 2 hours ago. So let me create a thumbnail for this particular video. I'll show you how it works. Okay. Before I get into it, don't forget to come to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing we'll do is to go to Canva.com. Once you're on Canva.com, click on create a design. I see the right YouTube thumbnail. So you just hit on that. So I'm here now. So now I've hit on YouTube thumbnail. So the next thing you want to do is let me start from scratch. You want to use an empty canvas. So what you want to do now is to first of all choose a background image. Okay, this one is white now, so I just search for so it brings me some of the images. So you can see Canva logo is there, all of that. Alright, so I want to choose a background. So let's use this. So I'll just drag this and make sure that everything is well covered. Okay, across all the corners of this particular Canva. So now this is what we'll be using to design our own thumbnail. So this is a particular channel on YouTube, but I just want to follow I like the design, I like the the thumbnail. So I just want to use this for the sake of this tutorial to teach you how to design YouTube thumbnail. So now first background first like this. The next thing is we want to create a text for our thumbnail. So go to elements, hit any of these elements, and expand it, and change the background color to black. Okay, so you go to text, include your text. So our text is YouTube channel banner tutorial. Okay, so let's change this. So instead of adding new elements, you can just duplicate this. How many do we have here? We have 0. So let's keep duplicating. So move that to down. Move it off. So now move this one in. Increase the size of the text. Okay, so we have also duplicate the text if you want. So you say YouTube channel banner. So let's drag this in. For me, I like changing the color. I like using this short, so let's use yellow. Then I will change to yellow. So the last one, Panel design. I'll just use, let me use this. So you can see just duplicate and use. So panel design. So that there will be space, I'll just drag this one up, drag this up, move this up, move this up, move this up. You don't want to have too many elements for your design, so 3 elements is just fine. So you're going to have 9 elements. So YouTube channel balance design with Canva. Okay, so the lesson is to put a laptop here. So you just go back to elements, and all you just need is to search for laptop. Okay, let's see if we can get one that is plain. Okay, other just graphics. So we get one. Okay, so what I just did is to add a laptop screen here for my, as you can see, this is a laptop screen. Then I just move one of these panel on it and make sure that it aligns to the screen of the laptop. So you can see, so just drag it until it aligns with the laptop screen. So once it's aligned, the work is half done. So you can remove the background if you want of the laptop. Just click on background remove. Okay, so you can see now we have our laptop. So you can, what I want to do is to group this guy, group it. So once I group it, I'm able to move it anywhere I want. You can see that. Perfect. So you can position it any back. So once you can send it back and make it a little bit larger, just like that. A little bit more. If you think the space is not enough, you can drag all of this up. Just to have space there for the image. So now remove this again. Perfect. I think we are good. Let's see, we can move the image back again. No, forward. Alright, so now since we are dealing with Canva, we can now search for Canva image, Canva logo. So here you have it, just like they have it here. So you just resize it, reduce the size, and drag it here. Okay, yeah, it makes sense now. So basically, this is how to design your YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Thumbnail for your YouTube videos, just like this ones, okay. So once you are done, you just come over to share, okay, share, then download. So you can just start downloading. So you just save it to your system, maybe on your desktop. The next thing is to upload it to our YouTube video. So let's go to our YouTube video. So go to your channel, YouTube Studio. So here you can just go to content, click on edit, So once on edit, you just scroll down. So they write upload thumbnail. So let's search for the thumbnail we just downloaded. It's on my desktop. So just click on that. You can see. Click on save. So you can see, guys, the thumbnail has appeared on our YouTube video. So that's how to design a YouTube thumbnail for your videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to come back to my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. See you in today's video, guys.